React.js is a popular JavaScript framework which is used to build UI components for your websites. There are lots of benefits of using React in your project. The first benefit is that when you switch to another page, the whole browser is not refreshing, and it is only bringing you the content that you want to. When I go to another page in the general HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the whole browser refreshes, and it is not a great user experience for the audiences, because it creates some kind of disturbances from your user experiences, and it is not really uh, great for the developers to develop such kind of websites that really breaks the concentration of the users. So the React is getting much more popular for this concept, and this concept is called React routing, which the React router uses to bring you the content instantly without refreshing the whole page. Besides, I have given some CSS animations and transition effect. Look, when I hover over these buttons, the content is showing me, and the name of the page, so that I can switch over to that page easily. When I switch over to the about page, the content is presenting before me with subtle animations, and these animations is great to develop some kind of user experience. When I click one of the pictures, it is showing before me with subtle CSS transitions, and it is great for your projects. When I go to the block section, and when I switch to the uh, images and hover over one of these, the images are getting zoomed, and this is also a magic of CSS transitions and animations. I have used some kind of CSS libraries here to give some kind of animations and transitions, so that I can save myself some time to develop this project. The content is appearing before me from left to right, and this is done by using a special type of JavaScript library, and it is called animation on scroll library, or AOS library. Finally, in the third section of the block part, I have fixed the background to attachment, so that it only shows me the content when I scroll to that part, and it doesn't really go along with me when I scroll down. It always remain attached to the fixed, and it is remain fixed whenever I scroll down or not. And I have also given that type of effect in this background too. I have created the fixed background here, so that it really amazes the audiences and users, so that they can really connect to this website and developers. Finally, we'll go to the context section, and this is a normal context section, but it is really looking. But for the kind information, I'll say that there is no backend included here. Yes, so if you type here and want to send someone, then this message will not go to anyone. This is only the front end part. The backend part is yet to be ready, but don't worry about that, because I am only a front end developer. I only develop UIs for the front end technologies. So this is the work for most done by me. If you have any question or have any suggestion, then please do it in the comment sections, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. It will really motivate me to make such more videos.